what you plant in your mind will happen. It will create. I want to make money now. I want to start a business now. I want to quit my job now. I want to have clients now. I want to bring in this money now. I want to know it all now. I have no patience. Well, I have a bit more now, but anyway, if you're impatient, this is really going to help you. Look, if you plant some seeds and the package tells you to wait 10 weeks, then you give it water and you wait and you trust that it will come. But you continue with your day. So what are you focusing on? Look, I'm gonna explain this to you. It's gonna make sense when you watch this video. So all I want you to do is to hit the like button and let's get started, because we're gonna do some gardening. And I'm no expert in gardening at all, but I do know that when you have a package of, let's say, roses, okay? Because I'm looking at roses right now. And it says you sow the seeds and you wait 10 to 11 weeks and then it will grow. You do that, okay? I can do that. I'm not a gardener, I can do that. And then you give it water and you continue with your day. You just do your thing. So how can you apply this? Well, the mind works in the same way. If you see your mind as planting the seeds in the soil, so you plant in the soil, okay? If you plant seeds, you will understand this, in a rocky soil, in a dry soil. Look, I'm watering this here every single day. Your mind is the soil. What seeds are you planting in your mind? That is what I want you to understand. It's not just about having patience. It's about what seeds are you planting in your mind, because what you plant will grow. If your soil is nice and wet and you water it regularly, repetitively, whatever you sow will grow. What you plant in your mind will happen. It will create whatever your goal is, your future goal. Make money online, be financial independent, financial freedom, traveling the world like I do, quitting your job. You can achieve it if you plant the right seeds in the right soil. So it is simple, but here's what happens. You know, we plant some seeds and we think, yeah, all positive. Yeah, I'm going to achieve my goal. Yeah, I can do this. I got this, right? And then something happens, life happens. You look at your bank results. You look at your current life. You look at a negative comment. You look at a negative circumstances, and boom, you fall back. It's so easy to fall back. And what happens then is that will grow. Whatever negative you put into your mind, that will grow. Whatever positive you put into your mind, that will grow. So what are you focusing on? What seeds are you putting in your mind? The more that you put into your mind of, I got this, I can achieve my dream, this is my dream, and you focus on that, that will grow. But what happens is that we fall back. We see something negative. We see our current results. We see our current bank account. We see the relationship that we don't like, the job that we don't like, the boss that we don't like. It is a relation to patience, you know, trust. You plant those roses, you trust it will grow. The roses that you planted will grow. Do you stand there and watch like, okay, when is this seed coming out? When is it actually going to come out? You don't do that because you know, you trust, you expect that the roses that you sow will come out. Why is it so difficult to do that with everything that we have as a goal? We have a financial goal. We want clients. We want a business. If you focus on that, and you trust it will happen, you continue with your daily actions and you know and you trust and you expect that it will happen. But the moment you focus again about your current result and your current life and the things that are not going well, you fall back. You fall back. It's like digging those seeds back out of the soil, and you plant negative ones, and you plant the doubt, and you plant the worry, and you plant the fear. Please comment below and let me know if it's making sense. It is the law of nature. You plant the right seeds and those seeds will grow. So it's your choice. What do you plant in your mind? Does this take effort? Yes. Does it take repetition? Yes. You have to water the seeds every day. You have to water your mind every day. You have to remind yourself, repeat your goal, repeat what you want to achieve. Does it work? Yes, but you have to persist. You have to put in the effort day after day after day. I study books for the power of my mind every single day. I have a mastermind every single week. I study, I journal, I listen, I I apply persistence and discipline in the power of my mind. I focus on my goal. I plant the seeds. I trust it will happen, and I continue with my day. But I don't doubt myself. I don't. And the moment you doubt yourself, you fall back. You're digging the seeds back out of the soil. So does it take effort? Yes. Does it need repetition? Yes. Does it become a habit? Yes. But you have to plant the seeds, trust it will happen, and nurture that, nurture that, nurture that. Keep repeating it in your mind. It will happen. It will, just trust it and continue with your day. We are conditioned to believe that there is a lack. Ooh, but I don't have this, and I want that, and I don't have this, and there's a lack. No, there is no lack in the universe. There is money, there's clients, there's everything that you want. But your mind accepts what you plant in it, and what you plant, you will receive. What you hold in your mind, you can hold in your hand. What you can hold in your mind, you can hold in your hand. What do you put in your mind? Keep doing that. You will get exactly what you want because your mind accepts it. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So keep looking for proof of abundance. Look at my video about faking it, achieving it, stopping the self-doubt, and really persisting. And you have a choice. Look at that video as well. I'll put it right below and I'll pop it up right here at the end. But comment below, hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video.